wind is deafening me. I'm only going 60 and I can hardly hear myself think. It's that loud. Earplugs definitely required. This is fucking painful. I can't even hear a bike. Fuck's sake. Absolutely fucking deafening. Why is this so loud? You'd think the wind had just passed past this helmet. Not make a massive fucking thunderous fucking noise. What the fuck? Oh, my fucking ears. My fucking ears. You can't even enjoy opening it up because your fucking ears nearly burst out your fucking skull. I'm gonna do it anyway. Difference. I don't know whether I'm behind my screen, tucked up above it, fuck all. It's just deafening. I know what's annoyed me this morning. Got up out of bed, had a wash, put my clothes on, went downstairs, put some bacon on the grill, right? I gets the bread out. I gets the butter out. This is spreadable butter, right? Okay, spreadable. Spread straight from the fridge, or so they say. I call bullshit. More bullshit than a Matador's jacket. Spread straight from the bloody microwave, more like. Yeah, so I puts my butter on my bread, my spreadable butter on my bread, and what does it do? Grips on like bloody super glue and rips a massive hole in my bread, so then, you know, I'll make best of a bad job. And my bacon's ready, and I put my bacon on there, and I put my sauce on there, and I pick it up to go and eat it. What does it do? It goes straight in my lap, straight through this massive hole in bread, straight into my lap. Obviously a little bit more forward planning would have probably helped, like, but I was hungry, so there we go. So that's what's bloody started me off in a bit of a shitty mood, and this bloody wind noise ain't helping. Ow! 50 mile an hour now, and I can barely hear myself think again. Jesus. Ow! Yeah. Going back to town. Going to Colin Apple Yards. Buying some bloody earplugs. Oh! I like this road, it's a nice road. The A65. Oh my god, that's noisy! Well, I'll make it most of it before it gets icy, because from Tuesday onwards next week it's supposed to be 0 degrees with snow showers and stuff like that, so I'm afraid Sally the Suzuki's going to be firmly tucked away in a little cage. Oh, shout out for you, Skeggy Cruiser. Thanks for your comments on my previous video, and your advice. Much appreciated. You know, appreciate all the help I can get. I just realised I'm on a different road than I thought I were on. Well, we're going to go to Kettlewell, but I'm not going to get to Kettlewell this way. I should have been on Grassington Road, and I'm on the road to Settle. Oh well. I'll go to Settle and then come back. He got his foot out there. Wonder if he was putting his foot out to wave or something. Or whether he was just stretching his legs a bit. Proper well stuck out, although they were. Might stick mine out. Ah. Yeah, I like this. When you open this up, it sounds good. God, that floodplain's still all full of water. It hasn't rained for about a week. It's going to get some more on Sunday. It's Sunday anyway. Oh, getting a bit of bummache. Fucking hell! The leaf just smacked me right in the middle of the visor. God, that took me by surprise. Oh shit! Oh Jesus! Oh.